Hey guys, The Real Estate Pete here, coming at you from 227 Roosevelt in Elmwood Park. As you can see, this 3-bedroom, 2-bath Cape Cod has a beautiful front porch on it. It also has a 1-car detached garage. It has forced hot air, which means central air is very easy to install because the ductwork is already done. And don't let the Cape Cod fool you. This bad boy had an addition put on the back, which gives it plenty of size to grow into. But you know what? Instead of me telling you about it, let's take the tour. Hey there, just wanted to take a minute to highlight my favorite part of this house. My favorite part of this house would have to be the addition that was put on. It's about 20 feet long by 10 feet wide, which gives you a lot of space for family and friends to gather, maybe on game night or you're just hanging out. This room could also be used as a dining room. Again, you've got 20 feet long, so your long dining room table would absolutely fit in here and give you plenty of space for your china cabinets as well. You've got the ceiling light right above my head there, which you could easily hook up your chandelier to. So thanks so much for checking out the tour. I hope you enjoy the rest of it. All right, well, there you go. I hope you enjoyed the tour. This house has so much to offer. It's gonna make one family very, very happy, and I can't wait to meet them. If you have any questions about this property, just let me know, and I'll talk to you soon.